Whoa! Did the Earth just wiggle? Look! The mountain is smoking! That's not just a mountain. It's a volcano! It's so hot! This melted rock is called mag. Hi, curious cubs! You're like hot soup. I'm trapped underground. Sometimes there's too much pressure, and I begin bubbling faster. It's getting full.
When magma can't stay trapped, it looks for a way out.
I'm free!
Once magma reaches the surface, it's called lava.
So magma underground becomes lava outside. The volcano is helping new land. Exactly! Some volcanoes erupt often. Some are sleeping. Some may never erupt again. Sweet dreams. Did you know? There are more than 1,500 potentially active volcanoes on Earth. Every question begins an adventure. Wait, what's trapped inside this rock?